gotta be kidding. It's beyond KZZ31.
County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern
It's
Pennsylvania,
an SVR.
south central Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tamaqua to Wanamaker's to near Shoemakersville to Brindle, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Kutztown, Hamburg, Slatington, Fleetwood, East Greenville, Bath, Walnutport, Tofton, and Leesport. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 41 and 73. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 33 and 76. For your foot, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Lehigh, Montgomery, and Northampton.
That's crazy.
Here is the regional. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Wednesday night.